Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on notifications on the Agoda application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should go to your home page and then click on the More button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Then scroll down to the settings section and tap on notifications. Tap on turn on notifications to get the best deals, price alerts and timely reminders on your booking. Then you will be directed to your phone settings where you need to allow Agoda to access your notifications. So tap on notifications and this button at the top. Then if you go back, you will be able to see that the notification section has been enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.